as of now. I also want to talk a bit more about the long tail assets because they also reacted quite positively, but there were some highlights in my opinion. First of all, on the left top corner, we see Dogecoin. So you might know Dogecoin, obviously Elon Musk is a big fan of Doge, and so it was to be expected that Doge will perform well with Trump outcome. And that's exactly what we've seen. It's up over, I think, 25% over the last 7 days. So we can see here how the sentiment is expressed by those meme coins. On the right side, we have Immutable X. For the listeners who never heard about Immutable X, it's basically, I would say, a scaling solution that is focused on blockchain gaming. But it's also known because I think 1 or 2 weeks ago, they got a wealth notice by the SEC, even though they're based in Australia. But nonetheless, we saw Immutable X pumping as well after the 6th, because we actually believe that a lot of these wealth notices will be let go. And therefore, it's no surprise that we see all those projects have some price appreciation. Here on the left bottom, we see Aave. Aave is very interesting as well. Obviously, Trump has launched his own DeFi project, World Liberty, where they also plan to issue a stablecoin. And the entire project is based on Aave, the biggest lending and borrowing protocol built on Ethereum. And therefore, we also seen this massive upside after the election. And here on the right side, another example, Uniswap also had a wealth notice by the SEC, but we've seen a massive jump here in price as well. The last 2 projects here are both DeFi projects. And our market outlook for 2025 is really a bit of a return to DeFi. DeFi is one of the most consistently performing sectors. Obviously, at times, it hasn't been the most interesting or most exciting, but DeFi is one of those sectors that have been chugging along. It's very robust. And it's been working. Now, the only problem the DeFi sector really had was their tokens. So for instance, Aave and Uniswap, they're both amazing technologies, amazing protocols, but both projects, their token are just governance tokens. So when you're holding the tokens, all you get are some governance rights, some voting rights, in case there's any new improvement proposal. So you could vote on that. Not really attractive because it never accrued any value. However, this might change. So the best example has been Uniswap. They recently announced their Uni chain. So now they're a standalone protocol, but they want to become their own blockchain. But they're also going to introduce revenue sharing capabilities. Meaning the more is being traded via the Uni chain, token holders will get some part of that revenue. And obviously that changes everything. First of all, it makes it attractive for investors to actually hold the token. And also for us analysts, it's definitely nice because we can apply something like a discounted cash flow model. So it becomes a bit more tangible to investors. The same is for Aave. They announced a potential fee switch, and we expect more and more DeFi projects in 2025 that they will remodel their token economics to make them more attractive to investors, which is really exciting.